In early childhood, we must not rush into numbers. Instead, we build pre-number skills such as matching, sorting, comparing one-to-one correspondence patterns, spatial awareness, seriation, subitizing. When a child matches objects, sorts by color, or says which group has more, they are building number sense. The most important skill at this stage is one-to-one correspondence, touching one object while saying one number word. This prevents counting errors and builds accuracy. If the foundation is weak, everything built later becomes shaky. From counting to number sense. Once children understand quantity, we introduce number recognition and cardinality. The idea that the last number counted tells how many. At this stage, we must follow the concrete, pictorial, abstract approach. First, children handle real objects. Then they draw representations. Finally, they write numbers and symbols. If we skip the concrete stage, children memorize without understanding. Addition and subtraction, understanding, part, whole. A key concept in early grades is part, whole understanding. For example, 5 can be 2 and 3. 5 can be 4 and 1. When children understand that a whole can be broken into parts, addition and subtraction become logical. Subtraction is not borrowing, it is finding a missing part. This thinking builds flexible problem solvers. Place value and multiplication. In classes 3 and 4, place value becomes critical. Children must understand that 10 ones make 110. The position of a digit changes its value. Without place value clarity, students struggle in all higher mathematics. Multiplication should not begin with tables memorization. It should begin with equal groups, repeated addition, and arrays. Concept before procedure. Division, fractions, and beyond division means sharing or grouping equally. Fractions grow naturally from division. A fraction is simply a part of a whole. Ratio and percentage build on fractions and multiplication. When children understand relationships, mathematics becomes connected and meaningful. If we focus only on completing syllabus, children may memorize. But if we focus on conceptual understanding, children will think. Strong foundations in early years create confident learners in later grades. Let us commit to teaching mathematics, not as a subject to fear, but as a language of reasoning and logic. Thank you.